In the new series of the Grand Tour, we were dumped in the middle of a vast wilderness in Mongolia and told to wait for a delivery.
We hoped it would be an escape rocket. Or a pub.
But it wasn't. What it was a flat-packed car which we had to build all by themselves.
Turns out all the parts of that car had been boxed up in a secret workshop in Oxfordshire, and then DHL shipped them halfway around the world to Mongolia.
Those boxes were then flown over our location in a military helicopter and dropped out, along with some basic provisions, but sadly, no pub.
The idea behind the Mongolia shoot was to try and do something we had never done before. From a very concept, we had to design our own car, build it up from scratch, test it, make sure everything worked, everything was safe, everything would run. Then strip it all back down again, and then working with the guys at DHL, package it up perfectly so that we could ship it internationally through their global network system and get everything there on schedule.
We were 7 days from a shop, a hospital, an auto repair store.
It was the most remote thing I've ever done, and it fed into the whole storyline of the three boys being in the middle of nowhere for the whole thing, and it was, as you know, a survival experience for them.
So, watch the new series of the Grand Tour to find out how we got on.